have to be a designer to create a digital product. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Cloud AI and Canva to create a digital product. Already inside my account, and what you need to open up is an email address and a password. So I'm going to use this AI to create an ebook, but most people think because AI is there that you can't create a good digital product using AI. It all depends on your research. AI, it can never replace you as a human being. There are some experiences that you've been through that you can sell to people that AI has not been through. For example, if you've been mom to a mom and you have maybe breastfed your children, AI can give just information, but it doesn't have that story or that touch in real life. It can't add that deep value. So if you do your research very well and add your own touch or your own feeling to it, your product is going to sell because people will be buying your story, not AI. AI can help you, but it will not do the whole work for you. So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to do our product research, but I'm going to make it short because I don't want the video to get longer. So you can come here and put in a prompt according to your niche or to the product you want to create. And according to me, I want to create a product that relates to moms, yes, to moms, on how they can remove those big stretch marks that comes on their stomach or bellies when they are pregnant. Some of them, they get it and it's hard to go away. It sometimes even they lose their self-esteem. So there are so many women dealing with that. So that's what I want the product to be. Yes. So what we are going to do, we are going to tell Cloud about the product, and we are going to ask it to go do some research for us to see if this product is needed and what we can do to make sure that our product comes out better. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to tell it I want to create. Remember, AI is not a human being. Whatever you put inside it, that's the way it's going to answer you. So if you prompt it right, it's going to answer you in the right way. If you prompt it in a wrong way, then it will give you wrong answers. So I'm going to put I want to create a digital product to help women who gave birth but still dealing still dealing still dealing with stretch marks, still dealing with stretch. I did some spelling errors, but grammar Road can help me. Excuse me for the nails. Still dealing with stretch marks. Still dealing with stretch marks. Still dealing with stretch marks. Then I'll tell it to search. I'll tell it search or look excuse me, look in, you can say Facebook groups, Reddit, or any other social media platforms, because people are always there discussing about these issues in Reddit or other social media, and see what women are saying. So you click enter, and now Cloud is going to go ahead and search to see if this product is needed. If you have time, you can go do your research on Google Trends, do your research on YouTube, and see what is happening. Will your product work? Are people talking about it, or it's not necessary? Then, according to the research you have done, then you can validate and see if your product will work or it will not work. So it will depend on you. So here it has given us what we need. Here is what comes up again and again. We may talk about postmortem stretch marks pulled from articles, quotings, real examples. Yes, and here it is telling you what people say. So here it is asking us what format feels more aligned with this idea. Confidence journal plus workbook, skincare routine guide and checklist, printable affirmation cards and checklists. So here it is telling you can take time and read through the research it has given you. Then you go ahead and check according to these questions it has asked you. What exactly do you want to create? You can create a confidence journal because in most cases some women try, but those stretch marks sometimes they can't fade away. Some women are lucky the stretch marks fade away and disappear forever, but other women sometimes they don't disappear and they are left with that loss of esteem or lack of confidence. So I'll go with this first idea. Yes, but if you want, you can choose anyone you want. So here it is asking me, is this a new product line or an add-on? So you can answer it's a new standalone or an add-on. So it depends on you because I've been using Cloud to build my other digital products. That's why it's asking me. So I have to be specific so that it doesn't confuse this new product that I'm making in this video as an example to my other old digital products that I have working on. So I'll click on this one which says new standalone. So I'll click on that and it's going to go ahead to help me come up with a digital product that I can create. So if you do your research, it's going to help you and your digital product to stand out, yes, and to be different from others. The problem why you create a digital product and they don't buy it because you are creating something that is generic, yes. But if you don't create something that is not generic, people will go ahead and buy it. And if you want to first test out your idea to see if people will really buy it, I've created an app that helps you to do that. I'll leave a link to that in the description. Yes. So here it has gone ahead to help us with what we want. So here it is telling us great standalone brand gives you room to build this properly instead of squeezing it into the soft life business. I have another business about that. So here it is telling us what we can do and how the workbook can be structured. So I'm going to ask it to help me to write the first pages of my ebook or workbook. It depends on you. So I'm going to ask it first to write for me the confidence journal. Yes, because of the example, I will not be able to go into the workbook and all of that. I will only do a short bit of confidence journal so that I can show you how we can go and build that in Canva. So I'll tell it to create, create for me, a confidence, create for me, sorry, excuse me, create for me a confidence, confidence journal first. So it will go ahead and do that for us first. So I'll click on enter. And remember, Cloud has a paid version. So if you try creating your digital product and you are not able to finish it, then you can go ahead and take a break and wait when they'll give you another set of how they call credits for you to go ahead and keep building your digital product. Yes. So here it's going ahead to build everything. You can take your time and wait for it, or you can be working on other things. And as I have told you, I have created a digital product that helps you to test out your idea and see if it is going to work, and it helps you to do the research and see if your idea will sell or not. So I'll leave a link to that in the description below, so you can go ahead and check it out. So Cloud is going ahead to create the document that we want. Yes, you can either copy it and put it in Canva directly, or you can go ahead and copy it bit by bit. It depends on you what will work for you. Yes, so it's going ahead to create everything for us. So it has created a document for us, and it has given us this semi few new stories. So it has given us this. So, and here our document is going to appear on this side of the page of the laptop. So that's where it's going to appear, and we see it from there. So it will take some small time to load. So this is our document on this side right here. Yes. And we are going to read through. You read as I have shown you. This is the document here on this side. Yes, you can download it here and transfer it into your Google Drive and edit it bit by bit. Yes, or if you want, you can ask Cloud to write it for you in form of texts, where you can just be copying it and putting it in Canva. But I would advise you don't just copy this the way it is and upload it. You need to edit it, check your spellings and everything. That's why we are going to take it to Canva and edit it. In Canva, you can upload it as a PDF and you go ahead and edit it. They have a free version, yes, but on that free version, it's limited. There are some things you can access and some things you cannot access. For example, anything you see in Canva which has this icon, they are telling you it's on a paid version. So if you see this and you are not on a Canva paid version, then that means you cannot use that feature. So you can go for ones which are like these templates, which are free, which are on a free version, but these ones they are paid for. So if you want to say, for example, you want to use this one, so you click on that, and when you click on that, here they are going to ask you to customize template. So we are going to click here on customize template, and here there are so many others that you can use. If you are creating something for kids, you can use that. If you are creating something about self-care, you can use that. I think I'll go with this one. It looks better and it gives us the vibe of the product that we are also working on. So it's about self-care. So here there are so many, so it will depend on you, but I'll stick with I think I'll stick with this one. It's simple and easy, and it will be easy to edit. Yes, so I'll click on that. So when you click on this, it's going to take us to a page where we can edit this. Yes, it's going to take us to a page where you can go ahead and edit this and turn it into your own. For example, here you can put the name, your name, or your name or on your ebook where you have created it. Or if you want, you can put maybe a penny name. On Amazon it's allowed. If you don't want to put your name, maybe I'll put grow. Maybe that's what I want. So here we can put the title of our ebook, or we can say our digital product. So we can come back here on Cloud to see which title you can put. Either you can put this as it is, or if you feel like you don't like the title, you can come here where it says write message, and you can ask Cloud AI to change whatever is in this document or in your book that you don't like. You can ask it to go ahead and change. Maybe if you don't like the writing tone, or if you want to put a comma or something, anyway, you can just put it here in the message and you see, and it will go ahead and change it for you. So this is our title, and this is what we'll put. So we'll put all of these Send me few news stories, a postmortem confidence journal for a body that grew a person. So we are going to put this in our ebook here, because now we are formatting it so that it can come out to be the way you want it. Like here, this one was a self-care guide. Now we are going to come here and put in our title. So we can come here and delete this if you don't want to use it. So click here and delete all of this. Then we'll go ahead and put our information that we have had from crowd. Remember, I told you go ahead and edit this. Yes, you go ahead and edit your book. You transfer that document somewhere, you go ahead and edit it. So it will be simple and easy. You just come here to cloud, copy the information, then go and edit it. I'm not going to show you all of that. I've talked all about this in so many videos. So you will take it and go and edit it. You can edit it in Drive. You can open them in your Google Drive, or as I told you, you can convert it into a PDF, or you can just download it and upload it into Canva. So now you come here and put in more information. If you want here, you can add pages so that you can fill out up to when your confidence journal is finished. So the reason why I'm not going to go and write all of this, I've done so many videos about this and I don't want the video to get longer. So when you are done, what you are going to do, you will click here on share. Then you will download your digital product or your ebook. And how are you going to download this? You can download it as a PNG. You're supposed to download it as a PDF print if you want it to be printed into a physical book on Amazon. And you can also sell it like a PDF standard. Yes, you can still sell it as a PDF standard, and that will be an ebook on Amazon. People can be reading it from their Kindle Unlimited, or it can be a printed physical book that can be shipped to people's addresses. And you can still also sell it on other platforms like Grammarly, Etsy, and so much more. Yes, and since you have now created your digital product, then the other step is to drive traffic to it so that people can buy it. It's not going to help you no matter how your digital product, how cute it is, how whatever research you did, the time you put in, if people don't get to see it. So if you don't want to go on YouTube, or you don't want to go in any social media, then you come here on Pinterest. So when you come here on Pinterest, when you come here on Pinterest, you are going to start creating pins that are related to your product that you have created. Yes, you're going to start creating pins that are related to your product that you have created. And when you create those pins, they are going to be driving traffic to this your digital product that you have created in Canva. So they will be driving traffic to the platform that you are selling it from. Maybe you'll be driving traffic to Grammarly if that's where you chose to sell, maybe to Stan Store or to Amazon. So it depends on your platform. So this is the way how we are going to make people to see our digital product. So we can, maybe you can go to Cloud, since it was the one which helped you to come up with the idea. You can tell it to write for you pins, pin titles and descriptions that are related to your digital product. So when it creates that for you, you come here on Pinterest and create what they call a pin, and you pin those pins. And when you pin those pins, then you can come to the platform of your choice. You chose to say your digital product, copy the link of your product and pin it on Pinterest. So if people click on it, that link would take them direct to